Hello everybody! Welcome to another exciting episode of Culinary Delights where we explore flavors from around the world. Today, we're diving into a recipe that's bursting with flavor and will transport you straight to a tropical paradise. Asian mango shrimp. This dish is not only a feast for the taste buds but also a visual treat that brings the vibrant colors and fresh ingredients of the tropics right to your kitchen. This dish is a delightful combination of succulent shrimp, sweet and tangy mango, and a savory sauce that will have your taste buds singing. The shrimp, when cooked to perfection, offers a tender and juicy bite, while the mango adds a burst of tropical sweetness that perfectly balances the savory elements of the dish. Imagine sinking your teeth into perfectly cooked shrimp, infused with the exotic sweetness of ripe mango. The flavors meld together in a way that is both refreshing and satisfying, making each bite a delightful experience. The sauce, made with a blend of soy sauce, garlic, and a hint of chili, adds a depth of flavor that ties everything together beautifully. The vibrant colors and aromas alone are enough to make your mouth water. The bright orange of the mango, the pink of the shrimp, and the green of fresh herbs create a dish that is as beautiful to look at as it is delicious to eat. The aroma of the cooking shrimp and the fresh mango will fill your kitchen with a scent that is simply irresistible. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy weeknight dinner or a show-stopping dish for a special occasion, this Asian mango shrimp recipe is sure to impress. It's a versatile dish that can be served with rice, noodles, or even a fresh salad, making it perfect for any meal. Plus, it's a great way to introduce new flavors to your family and friends. So, are you ready to embark on this culinary adventure with me? Cooking is not just about following a recipe, it's about exploring new tastes, experimenting with ingredients, and most importantly, having fun in the kitchen. This Asian mango shrimp recipe is a perfect example of how you can create something extraordinary with simple, fresh ingredients. Let's gather our ingredients and get cooking. We'll need fresh shrimp, ripe mangoes, soy sauce, garlic, chili, and a few other simple ingredients. With these, we'll create a dish that not only tastes amazing but also brings a touch of tropical paradise to your dining table. So, put on your apron and let's get started on this delicious journey together. Before we begin our culinary journey, let's gather all the ingredients we'll need to create this masterpiece. Remember, fresh, high-quality ingredients are the key to unlocking the full flavor potential of this dish. For our star ingredient, the shrimp, I recommend using large, plump shrimp about 16 to 20 per pound. You can use fresh or frozen shrimp, but if using frozen, make sure they are completely thawed before cooking. Next, we have our tropical delight, the mango. Choose a ripe but firm mango for the best flavor and texture. You'll want one that gives slightly when pressed but isn't overly soft. Now that we have our ingredients assembled, let's prepare our shrimp. If you're using shell-on shrimp, start by peeling off the shells, leaving the tails intact for presentation. To devein the shrimp, use a small paring knife to make a shallow incision along the back of each shrimp, where the vein is located. Gently lift out the dark vein with the tip of your knife and discard it. Rinsing the peeled and deveined shrimp under cold water will ensure they are clean and ready for marinating. Pat them dry with paper towels to remove any excess moisture. Our next task is to prepare the mango, the star of the show. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut the mango lengthwise, slicing along the flat seed in the center. You'll end up with 2 large mango halves. Now, score each mango half in a crosshatch pattern, being careful not to cut through the skin. Invert the mango half to push out the cubes, creating beautiful, juicy mango jewels. Cut the mango cubes away from the skin and set them aside in a bowl. Don't discard the mango seed. We'll use it later to infuse even more mango flavor into our sauce. Section 5. Creating the marinade, a symphony of sweet and savory. In this section we will explore the art of balancing flavors to create a marinade that will elevate our shrimp to new culinary heights. Now let's create the marinade that will infuse our shrimp with incredible flavor. The key to a great marinade is the balance of sweet, savory, and a hint of heat. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, which will provide a rich umami base for our marinade. Soy sauce is a staple in many marinades because of its deep, savory flavor that enhances the taste of the shrimp. Next, add honey. The honey will bring a natural sweetness that balances the saltiness of the soy sauce. Then, add minced garlic and grated ginger. These aromatics will add depth and complexity to the marinade, with the garlic providing a pungent kick and the ginger adding a fresh, zesty note. Finally, add a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. The red pepper flakes will give the marinade a subtle spiciness that will make the flavors pop without overwhelming the dish. Whisk the ingredients together until well combined. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the marinade, creating a harmonious blend. The aroma of this marinade alone is enough to make your mouth water. The combination of sweet, savory, and spicy notes creates an irresistible scent that hints at the deliciousness to come. Add the prepared shrimp to the marinade and gently toss to coat them evenly. Make sure each piece of shrimp is well coated with the marinade to ensure maximum flavor absorption. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the shrimp marinate in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and intensify. This resting period is essential as it gives the shrimp time to absorb all the wonderful flavors of the marinade, resulting in a dish that is bursting with taste. Section 6. The sizzle of the pan, sautéing the shrimp to golden perfection. This is where the magic happens, transforming raw, marinated shrimp into succulent golden morsels that are bursting with flavor. After the shrimp have marinated to perfection, it's time for the sizzle and aroma of the cooking process. The marinade has infused the shrimp with a depth of flavor, making them ready for the heat. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of oil. The choice of oil can vary. Olive oil adds a rich flavor, while vegetable oil is more neutral. Ensure the oil is hot and shimmering before adding the shrimp. Once the oil is hot and shimmering, add the marinated shrimp to the pan, making sure not to overcrowd them. Overcrowding can cause the shrimp to steam rather than sauté, which would prevent them from achieving that perfect golden color. Cook the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they turn pink and opaque, indicating they are cooked through. The shrimp will start to curl up and develop a beautiful golden crust on the outside. Remove the cooked shrimp from the pan and set them aside. This step is crucial to prevent overcooking, which can make the shrimp tough and rubbery. We'll add them back in later to combine with our mango sauce. This ensures the shrimp remain tender and juicy, absorbing the flavors of the sauce without losing their perfect texture. Section 7. Mango Magic, incorporating the tropical delight. Now let's add the star of the show, the mango. Add the diced mango and the reserved mango seed to the pan with the remaining marinade. Cook the mango for a few minutes, stirring occasionally until it softens slightly and releases its juices, creating a luscious sauce. Discard the mango seed and add the cooked shrimp back into the pan. Toss everything together to coat the shrimp in the delicious mango sauce. Section 8. Serving suggestions, a feast for the eyes and palate. Our Asian mango shrimp is ready to be served. This dish is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. For a light and refreshing meal, serve the shrimp over a bed of fluffy white rice or quinoa. Garnish with chopped scallions, sesame seeds, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for an extra burst of flavor. If you're feeling adventurous, try serving the shrimp in lettuce cups for a fun and interactive appetizer. You can also wrap them in warm tortillas with your favorite toppings for delicious Asian-inspired tacos. Section 9. Conclusion. Your culinary adventure awaits. Congratulations, my friends. You've successfully created a restaurant-quality Asian mango shrimp dish that's bursting with flavor and will impress your family and friends. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and having fun in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to adjust the ingredients to your liking and add your own personal touch. Now it's time to savor the fruits of your labor and enjoy this tropical delight. Bon appétit!